All right, starting from the front of the ski, these are the bolts I'm referring to. You see that one? There's several of these around the ski. Okay, so we're looking at the bow just to give you a better idea of what I'm talking about. So just across the front, there's 5 right there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11. Okay, so there's 11 on one side. And if we move up here, these are the 3 that I was referring to. This would normally be a cup holder, but it's also a ram mount plate by Yamaha. I happen to have one on both sides because I got rid of my, what do you call it, cup holder. I'd rather have camera mounts than a cup holder. I don't know what kind of cup's going to stay there very long anyway. There are a few more in odd places, like I just noticed this one. Inside that forward glove box, you can see those are corroded already. There seems to be 4 there. Actually, that's the first time I noticed that there was any bolts there. The others on the inside are okay, I guess, because they're not really exposed. Like these right here that are normally covered, they're not really exposed. But all the rest are pretty much corroding. Guess the video is a little too long, so I may have to upload it to YouTube for you to be able to watch. And that's it. Obviously, there's an equal amount on the other side.